Welcome to our guide on 10 morning habits for a productive day. Start your morning right and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. 1. Hydrate. Drinking water first thing in the morning activates your metabolism and replenishes your body. 2. Stretch or exercise. Light stretching or a quick workout in the morning can significantly boost your circulation and energy levels. 3. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Begin your day with a positive mindset and reduce stress by practicing mindfulness or meditation. 4. Eat a nutrient-rich breakfast. Fuel your body with a balanced breakfast that provides essential nutrients and energy for the day. 5. Expose yourself to natural light. Natural light helps regulate your body's internal clock and signals it's time to start the day. 6. Plan your day. Take a moment to organize your tasks and set priorities to minimize stress and give your day direction. Practice good hygiene. A consistent morning hygiene routine is essential for personal care and feeling fresh. 8. Read or learn something new. Engage your mind early with reading or learning to gain clarity and prepare for intellectual challenges. 9. Express gratitude. Take a moment to reflect on the things you're grateful for, which can significantly enhance your mood and outlook. 10. Connect with loved ones. Reach out to family or friends to strengthen your social bonds and uplift your mood. Incorporate these habits into your morning routine for a more productive and fulfilling day. Which habit will you try tomorrow? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment, and share with friends.